A few months back, I wanted to test if I can make these tires, um, turn them into mini raised bed gardens, garden beds, mini raised garden beds. Um, and I planted, the first thing that I planted on here was peas, and it did quite well, except that I had not trellised or built a trellis for it. So most of it just tangled each other and sat here, and it didn't produce to its optimal best, but it went well. Now, these guys came after I had harvested the peas. As you can see, they're looking quite very beautiful uh, and lovely. It's just a few things that I would say are not working quite properly. One is, if you look here, all the water that I water on the tires, it so happened that somehow the soil, because I have a bad habit of sometimes forgetting to water. So when the soil dries up, it shrinks, and then it opens gaps within the lining of the tire. And then when I water, then the water rushes out, in the boundary, because the soil has shrunk. And then this is what you see. As I'm watering, the water is just gushing out, running out. And you can see, look at that. That's like completely like dry there. It's yeah, that's the one disadvantage that I've come to realize with this. I don't know. I think maybe I should have like filled it almost halfway and then compact the soil so that I don't know how to avoid this basically. Okay, but then also what I also came to realize is, because this surface here is not straight, it goes downwards. As you can see, it goes downwards. So whenever also I'm watering on the tires, the water doesn't sit in the middle and then soak down. It runs down and then it comes on the boundary here, as you can see, and then poof, with all these tires. And then you'll find that the stuff that is a little bit more up ends up not getting so much water from my watering effort. So make sure that wherever you put them, it is flat surface, it is not inclined like here. Otherwise, they work.